This early morning sex we have.
Alright. What's the motherfucking deal, Trinity Gang? It's your girl, Nay. And I'm back by myself doing the video. Because everybody be playing around. I ain't got time for that. I'm going to do my own thing. Do my own videos, feel me? So yeah, y'all. What I got for y'all today, I'm going to do a challenge. It's not a mukbang. It's a challenge. And this wig all on my head. But yeah, I have 3 chili cheese dogs in front of me right here, y'all. And then 2 Cokes. 2 pops, or whatever everybody call them. Pepsis, 2 sodas. I got 2 sodas. So, my challenge is, for all the people that actually come to my channel and subscribe, and it's my friends and family stuff, y'all is the ones I'm calling up to do the challenge. But yeah, if you don't do the challenge, oh well, I got a video made. Hey, so, let me do my thumbnail real quick. Okay, I don't know which one I'm pick, but I'm good, okay? Yeah, y'all, so what you have to do, eat 3 chili cheese dogs, drink 2 pops, not 1, 2, and I think I'm gonna put 10 minutes on the clock. Somebody called me? My mom called me. Oh yeah, my mom called me. So let me go to the timer real quick, y'all. This damn iPhone, you gotta find stuff and stuff because stuff be hiding everywhere. You don't know where stuff is at. Okay. My timer is, should it be 10 minutes? And I know you can't see it because whatever. Okay, well, it's gonna say 10 minutes. That's what I'm gonna start it at. Yeah, I'm gonna start it at 10. All right. I don't know if y'all can see it because it's a little, yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it like that. Okay, so. Hey man, I'm about to start it right now. Yeah. Too good, I ain't gonna count. I should have thought this through. The big old ballpark hot dogs. And you gotta get those ballparks. My phone keeps trying to turn off. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. I should have did this. Especially when my dumb self already drunk soda. Like a little bit. I've been losing weight, y'all. Shit. Y'all open this pop up real quick. Y'all can see. I know some of y'all could beat me, because I know I can't. I'm gonna go for it. 7 in? Oh, Jesus. Sorry guys, it's the end of the video. It'll cut my video off. Hey, I'm trying some new but Final Cut, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all, and I couldn't do the damn challenge. But peace in the game. Peace.